Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm gonna show you this Amul Shrikhand, and it is in a flavor of mango. Over here all the nutritional facts are written about the product, what all is there, fat and sodium and all, and it's a product of India. Amul is an Indian company. The net weight is 500 gram, and let's not waste much time and open this. You just need to first tear this hollow pack and then open this cover, plastic cover, and then there will be some kind of this pack over here. It's written pull. It's written over here, pull it. So we need to pull it out like this, and here is this Shrikhand. Now I'm gonna taste it and let you know. It's like mango with some yogurt and much more sweetness in it. So this is Shrikhand. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press that bell icon for more videos. For my next video, please like my videos and share, and please do not forget to comment. Thank you.